Hello YouTube, this is your host Zubair. Welcome to my channel EasyRoboTech. I am currently working on Raspberry Pi 3 model motherboard. This is the fourth video in the Raspberry Pi 3 series. If you are new to the Raspberry Pi, I will recommend you to watch my previous videos for more details about Raspberry Pi. Once we recall all the information from last 3 videos, we see what is Raspberry Pi, its hardware configuration, booting micro SD card for Pi, enable VNC server in Pi, and finally we make connection from Pi through VNC viewer without any extra monitor, keyboard and mouse. In this video, I am gonna show you interfacing Pi with LCD 16:2 display and send text on display from Pi. By the way, this is my first project on Raspberry Pi 3. So let's start the video. For this project, we're gonna need a computer or laptop, a Raspberry Pi 3 motherboard and a mobile charger to power up Pi, a 16:2 display, 10K variable resistor to adjust the contrast for display, and 330 ohm resistor, a breadboard and jumper wires to connect LCD to Pi. We will start from the connecting LCD to Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi and there is 40 pins on this board for GPIO, general purpose input output. It's counting in zigzag. What I mean, start from here. This is the pin number 1, then 2, 3 till 40. In this 40 pins, as diagram shows, 24 general purpose input output pins, which is start from GPIO 2 to GPIO 27. 7 pins for ground. That is pin number 9, 14, 20, 25, 30, 34 and 39. 2 pins for 5 volt DC power. That is pin number 2 and 4. 2 pins for 3.3 volt DC power. That is pin number 1 and 17. 1 pin for transmitting data from Pi to other interfacing devices. That is pin number 8. 1 pin for receiving data from other interfacing devices to Pi. That is pin number 10. 2 pins is reserved for the future. That is pin number 27 and 28. This is my breadboard and LCD display. Now I will make termination. There are 16 pins for LCD 16:2 display. The first one is VSS or ground and the second pin is 5 volt DC input. Then V0 connecting to 10K variable resistor. Then RS register select connected to the pin number 22 or GPIO 25. RW read and write connect to ground. Then E enable connected to pin number 18 or GPIO 24 on the Pi. D0 to D3 we are not going to use for this project. D4 connected to pin number 16 or GPIO 23. D5 connected to pin number 11 or GPIO 17. D6 connected to pin number 12 or GPIO 18. D7 connected to pin number 15 or GPIO 22. Then A anode backlight connected to 5 volt DC through 330 ohms resistor. Last pin K cathode backlight connected to ground. Let's go to the computer for programming. Connect to Pi through putty and login into the Pi. We need to install some packages and libraries for LCD display. I am going to install Python library from Adafruit for LCD display. It is designed for Adafruit board but it's also work for other brands. So we need to begin. We want to get the clone. To do that, type the command git clone https //github.com/adafruit_python_char_lcd.git. Once it's finished, change into the get directory. Use the command cd./adafruit_python_char_lcd. Once you are in the directory, simply run the setup by using command sudo python setup.py install. Adafruit given some example text to display on the LCD using Python script. According to that, we can modify our text on the LCD. To see the examples, we will navigate to the particular folder by using command cd:/adafruit_python_char_lcd/examples. Now open up the example file by following command sudo nano char_lcd.py. It's important to know before you are running any of example, the pin configuration which is top of the file as per hardware connections modify it. LCD_RS is equal to 25. LCD_EN is equal to 24. LCD_D4 is equal to 23, LCD_D5 is equal to 17, LCD_D6 is equal to 18, LCD_D7 is equal to 22, and backlight is equal to 4. It can be changed as per your hardware connections. Here is all the examples. You can change examples as per your requirement. After modification, exit from the file by pressing Ctrl X. To save the modification, press Y, then enter. It's time to run the script. Use command python char underscore lcd.py. Yes, it is working properly. As per your requirement, can change the script and run on the display. Thank you for watching this video.